Did you just buy yourself a new set of coilovers? Well, the story might be a little bit different than you might think. See, what you actually did was, you just bought yourself a generic set of coilovers from a generic brand. You know, the type that anybody can get their hands on. Like this guy. That's Dave. Dave is the one who made your set of coilovers. You want to know how? Perfection. Look how proud he is. And you know what? Then he sends it right off to you. The customer. The one who spent all that time and all that hard-earned money just to do this. Why settle for second best? Here at Annex, we dedicate our time into developing our own line of specialized coilovers from the ground up into our main line of products, all in the home state of California.
Man, why didn't I just get these in the first place?
Now that's what I'm talking about.